श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज निज मन मुकुर सुधारी। बरनऊं रघुबर बिमल जसु जो दायक फल चारे। By cleansing my mind with the dust of my Guru's feet, I sing the pure glory of Sri Ram, which bestows the fourfold fruits: Dharma, Arth, Kam, and Moksha. The poet Tulsidas begins by paying homage to his Guru, acknowledging that true wisdom comes through a purified mind. बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके सुमिरों पवन कुमार। बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि हरहु क्लेश विकार। Knowing myself to be weak-minded, I meditate upon Pavan Kumar. O Hanuman, grant me strength, intelligence and knowledge, and remove all my sorrows and impurities. This verse is a humble plea to Hanuman, seeking strength, wisdom and divine guidance. जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर, जय कपीश तिहुं लोक उजागर। Hail Hanuman, the ocean of wisdom and virtue. Hail the chief of the Warner clan, who is radiant throughout the three lok. Hanuman is praised as the embodiment of knowledge and righteousness. Ramdoot atulit baldhama, Anjani putra Pavan Sut nama. You are the divine messenger of Sri Ram, the abode of unmatched strength. You are the son of Anjani and the wind god Pavan. This verse describes Hanuman's divine origin and unparalleled power. Mahavir Vikram Bajrangi, Kumati Nivar Sumati ke Sangi. You are the great hero, filled with extraordinary valor, and have a body as strong as Vajra. You remove wickedness and accompany those with pure intellect. Hanuman destroys negative thoughts and blesses his devotees with wisdom. Kanchan Baran Biraj Subesa, Kanan Kundal Kunchit Kesa. Your complexion is golden and you are adorned with beautiful attire. You wear earrings and your curly hair enhances your divine appearance. This verse describes Hanuman's celestial presence and warrior-like appearance. Haath Bajra aur dhwaja birajai, Kandhe Moj Janeu Sajai. You hold a Vajra and a flag in your hands, and a sacred thread made of moose grass adorns your shoulders. These elements symbolize Hanuman's immense power and devotion. Shankar Suvan Kesari Nandan, Tez Pratap Mahajagvandan. You are the incarnation of Shankar and the son of Kesari. Your glory is revered throughout the universe. This verse highlights Hanuman's divine lineage, linking him to Mahadev. Vidyavan Guni Ati Chatur, Ram Kaj Karibe Ko Atur. You are supremely wise, virtuous, and very intelligent. You are always eager to serve Sri Ram. Hanuman's devotion is unparalleled, as he is always ready to serve his Prabhu. Prabhu Charitra, Sunibe ko Rasiya, Ram Lakhan Sita Man Basiya. You delight in listening to the glories of Sri Ram and always reside in the hearts of Ram, Lakshman, and Sita. Hanuman's devotion to Sri Ram keeps him eternally present in their divine essence. Sukshma Roop Dhari Siyahin Dikhava, Vikat Roop Dhari Lank Jarawa. You assumed a tiny form to meet Sita and a fierce form to burn Lanka. Hanuman used his shape-shifting abilities to reassure Sita and later destroyed Lanka with his mighty fire. Bhim Roop Dhari Asur Sanghare, Ramchandra ke Kaaj Savare. Taking a formidable form, you destroyed demons and completed Sri Ram's mission. Hanuman played a crucial role in the battle, ensuring the success of Sri Ram's divine plan. Laye Sajivan Lakhan Jiai, Shri Raghubir harshi ur laye. You brought the Sanjeevani herb and revived Lakshman, filling Sri Ram's heart with joy. This verse recounts Hanuman's most famous act of devotion, carrying an entire mountain to save Lakshman's life. रघुपति कीन्ही बहुत बढ़ाई, तुम मम प्रिय भरत ही संभाई. Sri Ram greatly praised you, saying, "You are as dear to me as Bharat." This shows Sri Ram's immense love for Hanuman, equating him to his most beloved brother. Sahas badan tumharo jas gaveं, as kahi Shripati kanth लगावें. With 1,000 mouths, I still cannot fully describe your glory, said Sri Ram as he embraced you. Hanuman's greatness is beyond words, even for the divine beings. Sanakadik Brahmadi Munisa, Narad Sarad Sahit Ahisa. Even the great sages Sanak, Brahma, Narad, and Devi Saraswati sing your praises. This verse emphasizes how the wisest celestial beings recognize Hanuman's divine power. Yam Kuber Dikpal Jahante, Kavi Kovid Kahi Sake Kahante. Even Yam, Kuber, and the Dikpal cannot fully describe your greatness. Even the deities governing death, wealth, and the universe cannot express the full extent of Hanuman's power. Tum upkar Sugriv hinkinha, Ram milaye rajpad dinha. You helped Sugriv by reuniting him with Sri Ram, who restored his kingdom. Hanuman played a key role in securing Sugriv's alliance with Sri Ram, leading to his kingship. तुम्हारो मंत्र विभीषण माना, लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना. By following your advice, Vibhishan became the king of Lanka. This verse highlights Hanuman's wisdom in guiding Vibhishan to surrender to Sri Ram, leading to his kingship. Yug sahasra yojan par bhanu, leelyo tahi madhur phal janu. As a child, you leaped across thousands of yojan to eat the Surya, thinking it was a sweet fruit. Hanuman's divine strength was evident from childhood when he mistook the Surya for a mango. Prabhu mudrika mele mukh mahi, jaldi langhi gaye achraj nahi. With Sri Ram's ring in your mouth, you crossed the samudra effortlessly. This verse describes Hanuman's journey to Lanka, carrying Sri Ram's ring as proof for Sita. Durgam kaj jagat ke jete, sugam anugrah tumhare tete. All difficult tasks in this world become easy by your grace. Devotees who surrender to Hanuman find solutions to life's greatest challenges. Ram duare tum rakhware, होत न आज्ञा बिनु पैसारे. You guard Sri Ram's door. No one enters without your permission. Hanuman ensures only the pure-hearted can reach Sri Ram. Sab sukh lahe tumhari sarna, tum rakshak kahu ko darna. All happiness is attained under your protection. Those you protect have nothing to fear. Devotion to Hanuman removes all obstacles and fears. आपन तेज संहारो आपे, तीनों लोग हाँकते हैं कांपे. You control your immense power, but when unleashed, all three lok tremble. Hanuman's true strength is immeasurable and shakes the universe when revealed. भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे, महावीर जब नाम सुनावे. No bhoot or pishach can come near when Mahavir's name is chanted. Chanting Hanuman's name drives away negative energies and spirits. Nasai rog hare sab pira, japat nirantar Hanumat bira. All diseases and suffering vanish by constantly chanting Hanuman's name. Devotion to Hanuman brings health, strength, and relief from suffering. संकट ते हनुमान छुड़ावे, मन क्रम वचन ध्यान जो लावे. Hanuman rescues those who meditate on him through thoughts, words, and actions. True devotion to Hanuman ensures divine protection from troubles. सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा, तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा. Ram, the supreme ruler, has entrusted you with completing all his divine tasks. Hanuman executes Shri Ram's will, fulfilling his divine duties. और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे, सोई अमित जीवन फल पावे. Whoever seeks your blessings attains unlimited rewards in life. Devotion to Hanuman ensures fulfillment of desires and spiritual upliftment. चारों झुग प्रताप तुम्हारा, है प्रसिद्ध जगत उजियारा. Your glory shines across all four yug and is renowned throughout the universe. Hanuman's presence and influence remain eternal across time. साधु संत के तुम रखवारे, असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे. You are the protector of sages and saints, the destroyer of demons, and the beloved of Shri Ram. Hanuman ensures the safety of the righteous while eradicating evil. अष्ट सिद्धि नौ निधि के दाता, असबर दीन जानकी माता. You are the bestower of Asht Siddhi and No Nidhi, a boon granted by Mata Janki. Hanuman has divine powers to grant spiritual and material wealth to his devotees. Ram Rasayan tumhare pasa, sada raho Raghupati ke dasa. The essence of Shri Ram is always within you. You remain his eternal servant. Hanuman embodies Shri Ram's divine energy and never wavers in his devotion. तुम्हारे भजन राम को पावे, जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे. Through your devotion, one attains Shri Ram and forgets all past sorrows. Worshipping Hanuman leads directly to Shri Ram's blessings and liberation. अंतकाल रघुबर पुर जाई, जहां जन्म हरि भक्त कहाई. At life's end, your devotee reaches Raghubar's abode and is reborn as his devotee. Devotion to Hanuman ensures spiritual liberation and eternal service to Shri Ram. और देवता चित्त न धरे, हनुमत से सर्व सुख करे. One need not seek other gods, for Hanuman alone grants all happiness. Complete faith in Hanuman is enough to attain divine blessings. Sankat kate mite sab pira, jo sumire Hanumat balbira. All troubles vanish for those who remember Hanuman, the mighty warrior. Chanting Hanuman's name removes obstacles and grants divine protection. जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई, कृपा करहु गुरुदेव की नाई. Victory to Hanuman. Bless us like a guru with your divine grace. This verse is a prayer for Hanuman's continued guidance and protection. जो सत बार पाठ कर कोई, छूट ही बंदी महासुख होई. Whoever recites this Chalisa 100 times is freed from all troubles and attains great joy. Regular recitation of Hanuman Chalisa brings immense spiritual and worldly benefits. जो यह पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा, होए सिद्ध साखी गौरीसा. Whoever reads this Hanuman Chalisa attains divine perfection, with Gaurish as the witness. This verse assures the reader that Bhagwan Shiv himself vouches for the power of Hanuman Chalisa. Tulsidas Sada Hari Chera, Ki Jai Nath Hriday Mahadera. Tulsidas remains ever devoted to Hari. O Lord, reside in my heart forever. This final verse expresses unwavering devotion to Hanuman. Pavantanaya Sankat Haran, मंगल मूर्ति रूप. राम लखन सीता सहित हृदय बसहु सुरभूप. O पवन सुत, remover of troubles, the very form of auspiciousness, reside in my heart along with Sri Ram, Lakshmana, and Sita.